They are the Bose Noise Canceling 700 edition noise canceling headphones. These are their highest end noise canceling headphone that they offer. I bought them at full price, and today they're $100 off, and you should greatly consider purchasing them. They come in this gorgeous kind of like faux leather case, and it's got nice zippies all around the edge, so it's great for travel. You can put it in the front pocket of your backpack, whatever. You open this case up. It's the best headphone case I've ever used. You open the case up, and the headphones are right inside in a premium, form-fitted, sort of velvet-like case that these come in. Really, really amazing. Here's the case. The headphones come right in the case. You open it right up. Got the little Bose logo right there, which is really slick. You open these guys up. The headphones are right inside. And it's got a utility pocket inside the headphone case, as you can see right here, where you can put the USB charging cable in there that comes with it. I'm using the USB charging cable right now in my other room, so that's why it's not there. And it also comes with an analog cable that you can plug these headphones in anywhere. And it's magnetized, the pocket. So good. You just pop the headphones right out, and it tells you which ear is which. I don't know, man. I like that. I like that feature. As you can see, the headphones themselves have nice ooshy-gooshy, sort of memory foam-esque sort of finish on them. And as you can see, there's like no parts. There's no pieces kind of hanging off. It's just this gorgeous, elegant headphone design, not too heavy. And as you can see from the headband, it's this ooshy-gooshy headband that's one solid piece. It's not ripply. It doesn't have any contours in it. It's nothing like that. It's just one solid piece all the way across, which makes it less likely to rip and makes it more comfortable on top of your head. I've worn these headphones for up to 6 hours on my head, and they sound absolutely incredible. Normally, these headphones go for $400. They are today going for only $299 if you're interested in picking these Bose headphones up. But basically, you can adjust them as you see fit just by sliding each ear cup down like this. They just like slide super smooth, see that? And then you can put them right on your head and then pull them down over your ears. And then with one press of one button, they turn on and it plays a playback noise. It goes boom. And the noise canceling on these headphones is insane. I can barely hear myself right now. I can barely hear those clicks. The fan noise in my space is now gone. I can't hear that at all. I can't hear the air conditioning. All ambient noise has been immediately eliminated with these Bose noise canceling headphones. But you can actually switch modes to actually hear yourself if you want. So I'm going to switch modes. There's like full noise canceling. There's half noise canceling. And then there's no noise canceling, which is basically transparency mode. And now I can hear myself through the headphones fully, which is safe, right? So if you're looking to have a conversation with somebody who just comes up to you, you can just hit the button on the headphones like I just did and have a conversation with somebody in real life without being rude or whatever, using these headphones. And you can use them while you're doing the dishes, walking around. I wouldn't recommend exercising in these headphones. They are not that type of headphone, and they're not waterproof or anything like that rated. So these are going to be for indoor and travel use only. But the thing that is absolutely phenomenal about these headphones is how they sound on calls. So I am always doing calls, and normally I use a professional broadcast microphone when I'm on calls. But when I'm on the go, when you just talk into your phone or whatever, you usually don't sound good, right? Or when you're talking into even a pair of like mid-tier Bluetooth headphones, you don't sound that good on the call. These headphones have an absolutely out of this world sound on calls. If your phone, normally talking into your phone is like a 4 out of 10 in terms of quality. If your Bluetooth headphones, your exercise headphones you use are like a 5 out of 10, these are a 7 out of 10 in terms of how good the quality is of how you sound through the microphone on these headphones. It eliminates the background noise around you. It makes you sound way better. It just does. I used to be someone who would only buy Sony headphones, and at this point, these Bose headphones have now converted me over to Bose. When it comes to business headphones, when it comes to things like listening to podcasts, when it comes to things like really pretty much anything, doing calls, these Bose headphones are freaking out of this world. So this is it. If you're looking to buy the best Bluetooth headphones on planet Earth, these are just literally the best ones.